Hello everyone, and in this video I have two cars to unbox here. Is the 1:64 scale Toyota GR Supra from Kyosho and Tarmac Works. This is the test car and this is the unveiled version. I'm going to unbox the test car first. This car is made by the collaboration between Kyosho and Tarmac Works. I think Kyosho developed this model and Tarmac Works marketed it since this is 90% a Kyosho model. And the packing is the regular Kyosho one, except for the design for the paper box which matches the livery of the car. So this is the car which looks really unique in this test car livery, and most model car manufacturers don't make test cars. The headlights are really well detailed, and you can see how easily this livery covers up all the body lines so that the design is not revealed to the public. The air intakes on the bumper are also really well detailed. Kyosho and Tarmac Works must have taken a lot of effort to replicate this livery in 1:64 scale with all the patterns in their correct proportions. There's the Toyota Gazoo Racing logo on the door, just like on the real car. The wheels look really nice, but there are no brake discs and calipers behind them. The taillights are really well detailed, and you can again see how easily this livery covers up all the body lines. Moving on to the interior now. The dashboard and the steering wheel are really well detailed, but there is no detailing on the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. That's the boot, and this is the passenger side, since this is a right-hand drive car. This is how the dashboard looks like from the top. The mirrors have silver paint in it, but they look really nice. The base also has a Kyosho logo at the bottom. The chassis is really well detailed, and just like on the real car, most of the parts are covered. And those are the exhaust tips. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. I'm going to unbox the unveiled version now. This model is made by Kyosho only without the help of Tarmac Works. Kyosho made this model in 2020 when the GR Supra was officially launched by Toyota. Kyosho has printed a thank you on this tab over here, just like they do on their other paper boxes. I have this model in my collection since 2020, so it's not a brand new model. Kyosho made the unveiled version first before creating the test car. So both the cars are identical and they share the same parts, but they differ in their liveries. There's the Toyota logo on the front bumper. You can see all the body lines clearly in this car. There's the Toyota logo on the boot lid and the Supra and the GR logo on the rear bumper. You can see the diffuser more clearly now, and there's the F1 style third brake light and reverse light on the rear diffuser. The interior is the same one as on the test car. The rear view mirror again has silver paint in it. The chassis is the same one which is used on the test car. You can see the exhaust tips more clearly on this car, and both the front and rear wheels roll freely. Here's a side-by-side comparison on both the cars. You can see how similar but yet how different both the cars look like. You can see how effortlessly the test car covers up all the body lines. You can see how difficult it is to see the double bubble roof on the test car. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.